I do not have time to exercise. You don't need to have time to be physically active so long you are alive. Did you know that exercise does not limit going to the gym, carrying weights, running, or doing one form of heavy activity or the other? It also involves your physical activities. It involves moving your body. You can pop in that your favorite music and dance to it. If you can dance to it 5 minutes, little is something. You don't need to spend 1 hour, 2 hours. After dinner, play that your favorite music and dance to it. That is a form of exercise. You can take a walk. If you are used to riding to work, you can decide to take a walk. If where you are driving to is less than 10 minutes walk, my dear, there is no point driving to that place, provided the weather condition is okay, especially those who are living in very hot climates or during the very hot season. In that case, I may not encourage you to be trekking under the sun. Now, can we go back to our forefathers, our grandfathers? They were fit. You know why? Like my grandfather those days, rides his bicycle to work almost on daily basis. That's a form of physical activity. And when he gets there, he does some gardening. You can also do gardening. You can do work. You can do farm. That's a form of exercise. And when he's coming back, he will ride the bicycle back home. It's another form of exercise. Likewise, my grandmother, although she cannot ride, but she treks to the farm. She was trekking to and fro. So as she's going to the farm, she's trekking. Apart from farming, when she wakes up in the morning by 5:30 o'clock, she goes for morning prayers. She treks to the church and treks back home. And as she's coming back, probably they close by 6:30, she will trek around greeting everybody and finally gets home by 7 o'clock. You see, in that way, she has done the exercise for that day. So if you ride, you can decide not to ride for certain distances. Then if you are used to entering a public transport system, you can stop a bus stop before where you are going to and trek for the remaining distance. Instead of you taking the elevator, you can decide to use the staircase, and that's a form of exercise. You don't need to be enrolled into a gym. That is not to say that going to the gym is useless. No, at least it gives you a personal trainer. It makes you more focused because you see people who are doing similar things as you are. So it encourages you, it motivates you. That is quite all right. But if you don't have access to the gym, that is not an excuse not to. Play that your favorite song, dance to it, move your body. Move anyhow you move it, just move it. Do not relax by saying I do not have gym, I do not have time. You are going to your lecture, trek to your lecture. You are going to class, trek to the class. It's not when you are going to buy something across or just a short distance, you take motorbike or tricycle, keke. No, you can use bicycle. You will cycle to where you are going to. You can trek. So that is it. You need to create time to do 1 or 2 movements for yourself, and your body will really thank you for that.